Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss muscular tissues and their types. Even before we start the discussion, I would like to recall few points of the muscular tissues. That muscular tissues are responsible for the movement and locomotion in our body. Muscular tissue consists of contractile proteins that help in the contraction and relaxation of muscles that enhances movement inside our body. These muscular tissues are of three types. On the basis of structure, function, and location, these muscular tissues are of three types, that are skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. So let's start. Muscular tissue. Muscular tissues that are of three types. First one is skeletal muscles. Second one is smooth muscles. And third one is cardiac muscles. So on the basis of structure, location, and function, muscular tissues are divided into three types, and they are skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Now let us first take skeletal muscles. These skeletal muscles have few names, and these skeletal muscles are also known as striated muscles, striped muscles, and voluntary muscles. So, as the name suggests, skeletal muscles are those muscles that are attached with the bones. These are attached with the bones. Or skeletal skeleton. So this is skeletal muscles, and now this is striated. Striated are alternate dark and light bands. Alternate light and dark bands are known as striated. And this striped, we might have seen zebra. In zebra there are stripes, white and black stripes are present. Similarly, here stripes are known as, because of the striped, these are known as striped muscles. So this is the stripes, because of the presence of stripes. Voluntary muscles are those muscles that we can move according to our will. If we want to move muscles of this hand, we can easily move, and if we want to move our muscles of leg, then we can easily move that. So these are the voluntary muscles that depends upon our will. Our muscles that movement depends upon our will. Now the structure of skeletal muscles. Cells are long, cells are elongated, cylindrical shaped, multinucleate and unbranched. These are unbranched. If we make the diagram of cells of skeletal muscles, these are elongated and these are the stripes, and alternate striations are also present inside this. These are multinucleate. Many nucleus are found inside this cells. So cells of skeletal muscles are elongated, cylindrical, multinucleate and unbranched. So these are the structure of cells. And if we talk about the location, we have discussed these are attached to the bones. Skeletal muscles are attached with the bones. And function is helps in movement of limbs and hands. Helps in movement of hands, limbs and so on. So this was the skeletal muscle. Now we have smooth muscles. Smooth muscles also have few names, and they are unstriated. These are known as unstriated muscles, unstriped muscles, involuntary muscles, and also visceral muscles. So smooth muscles have also other names. They are unstriated. That means striation and stripe both are absent in case of smooth muscles. So these are known as unstriated and unstriped muscles. Involuntary muscles, it means there is no, it doesn't depends upon our will. It doesn't depend upon our will. And these visceral muscles are found in the visceral organs. And what is visceral organs? Organs that are found internally. Organs found internally are called visceral organs. So visceral muscles are found in the visceral organs, and visceral organs are those that are inside in our body. Now the cells. If we talk about the cells of smooth muscles, cells are tapering, cells are spindle shaped. Cells are spindle shaped. It means spindle shaped, that means the ends are tapering. They are uninucleate. These are uninucleate. And if we make the diagram of this, we find it as these are the nucleus is big, large and prominent, and this is the cells found in the muscular tissue, smooth muscles. So these are spindle shaped and having tapering ends, uninucleate. Now location, that means smooth muscles are found inside our internal organs. Found in internal organs that are lungs, stomach, heart, circulatory system, kidney, and so on. Almost all the organs that are found inside our body contains smooth muscles. These are also found in the iris of eyes, ureter, uretus, and so on. Now, function of smooth muscle is also same. It helps in the movement of organs. It helps in movement of muscles. In the organs that are present inside our body. Now we have cardiac muscles, as the name suggests. These cardiac muscles are found in heart. If we talk about the location of cardiac muscles, found in heart and helps in rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscles in heart. So these cardiac muscles are found in the heart, and it is responsible for the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscles. Next, if we talk about the structure of these are branched and also these have striations and striped. Also these have striation and stripes. These are uninucleate. and have ring-like structure. This ring-like structure are called intercalated disc. Intercalated disc that helps in the intercalated disc helps in the communication between cells, and this is the nucleus. So this is the branched uninucleate intercalated disc. This is the cardiac muscles. Structure of cardiac muscles. Cells are branched. Cells are branched and having intercalated disc. So this is the cardiac muscles. Its location, that is, it is found in the heart, and its function, it helps in the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscles inside the heart. And these have striations and striped. So cardiac muscles have few properties of skeletal muscles, because skeletal muscles also have striation and stripes, while while this is involuntary muscle. Cardiac muscles are involuntary muscles. That means these are not in our control. These are involuntary muscles. So this is all about the muscular tissue and their types. So thank you.